Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? What's going on this time? Hedera Hashgraph in last 7 days, as you can see, the 6.06% get a profit. Can you believe that there is really huge profit, my friend? And every coin will moving upward after a very bad dump. So in previous days, my friends, Hedera Hashgraph were very badly fails down, and I think this time is also condition very critical now. But don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down, so remember to they will get a profit. So therefore, you can see, my friend, the Hedera Hashgraph after a very big dump starting move upwards. So I'm really happy, my friend, and really excited to see this now. Especially it's really good news for short-term investor, because when they are starting selling, then remember, my friend, so they were very badly fails down. But if they are starting holding, then the coin will pump up. So therefore, that's mean in this time they will increasing. So that's mean to short-term investor are starting holding. Remember, my brother, if you are starting holding, then absolutely at the end of month they will easily hit now 0.5 USD dollar. Our latest and urgent update, my friend, is very important for you now. So for that, you subscribe our YouTube channel and just only press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friends, so I'm going to show you the last 1 hour chart, my friends, to what's going on in the last 1 hour. In the last 1 hour, you can see at 1.24% the price is pumps up. Definitely it's unbelievable and take a very huge jump. The direction is completely go to the moon in upward direction. So I hope, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph will give you more and more profits. See you next time, Hedera Hashgraph holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to, my friends, get a profit and earn money from crypto.